Can Legendary Marketer course enable you to build a 7-figure digital business without any experience, and is it worth the investment? Let's discover it in this video. If you're a budding digital entrepreneur, you've probably heard of Legendary Marketer. It is one of the market's most popular training brands. It provides effective training courses at incredibly low cost. As a result, it's unfortunately by some people is not taken seriously. They believe it is not legit. You may ask, is Legendary Marketer worth the money? So, in this video, I'll provide you a thorough assessment of Legendary Marketer. I've been a member of Legendary Marketer for over 6 months now, therefore this review is based on my own experience. Legendary Marketer is a training institute for budding digital businesses. It consists of digital courses, ebooks, one-on-one coaching, support groups, and even real networking events where students may meet 6-figure and even 7-figure entrepreneurs. The institute develops training materials at low, mid, and high costs for beginners, intermediates, and advanced students. Who is David Sharpe? David Sharpe is the founder of Legendary Marketer and is a digital marketing veteran, has founded 3 multi-million-dollar businesses and has trained over 500K entrepreneurs around the world. He has begun the renowned marketing course in order to assist folks all around the world. He is assisting in the development of an internet business in order to expand an existing firm. Legendary Marketer educates individuals how to apply cutting-edge sales methods, as well as how to use the correct marketing tools and management strategies. Forbes declared him one of the industry's masterminds, and he was mentioned on Entrepreneur.com. Legendary Marketer is primarily geared at beginners, lower-level, and intermediate marketers who wish to learn the basics of all successful internet businesses in order to launch their own. Instead of focusing just on one type of business, you will learn the fundamental ideas that underpin all successful enterprises, allowing you to confidently pursue whichever route you choose. After you've learned the foundations, you can work in any industry you want. For example, after finishing the 15-day Business Builder Challenge, you will have the information necessary to build a lucrative affiliate site, e-commerce business, or even your own YouTube channel. What is the Legendary Marketer 15-day Business Builder Challenge? If you want to make money online, the 15-day Business Builder Challenge is for you. Every day of the 15-day Business Builder Challenge will teach you something new. An affiliate link of 15-day Business Builder Challenge is available in video description as well as in pinned comments. If you are liking this video, then please press the like button, and if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please make sure to subscribe to our channel in appreciation. Day 1 will teach you how to create a high-ticket business. Everyone has billions of interesting ideas, but it is difficult for them to put those ideas into action and transform them into true success. Most people fail because they lack the necessary information and skills. This will be revealed to you on the first day of the program. Day 2. Become acquainted with the core 4 inches high-ticket business models. Most of the time, we don't obtain results because we don't try to tackle the problem practically. This day will be more of a review of what you studied on day 1. Discover how to operate high-ticket internet enterprises. Learn how to attract consumers and engage them in discussion. These are the steps in the sales funnel. Day 3. A 30-minute demonstration on how to create an online business. See a live demonstration of how to use ClickFunnels to start an online company. Master the art of starting an internet company. Day 4. Learn to conquer the inside game of wealth creation and discover how to attract riches and cultivate a positive mentality. You will be given a clarity process questionnaire to fill out in order to gain more clarity about what you want to achieve in life and to define your clearer goals. This method will assist your business advisor in understanding your goals and assisting you in developing the necessary action plans to attain them quickly. Day 5. Create a company blueprint. The Business Blueprint Bundle costs $2,500. Day 6. You can ask trainees who are already generating a lot of money questions. Day 7. When should you quit your job and focus on your business full-time? Know when to go from a side hustler to a full-time entrepreneur. Getting a job is sometimes necessary for your internet business to succeed. Learn high-income skills on day 8. This day might be thought of as a primer for a few high-income abilities that you will acquire over the next 3 days. You will learn about the client acquisition process and how to create leads quickly for your business on day 9. In day 10 you will learn copywriting, which is a vital talent to have since it may help you master the art of selling. Day 11. How to sell and present your services more effectively. Learn how to close more sales by getting to know your customers and making them feel special. Day 12. How to outsource skills. You will learn how to effectively outsource when your workload reaches a certain threshold. Learn to use other people's money to generate your own success on day 13. Learn to use the OPM strategy to grow your business. Learn to rewire your subconscious mind to produce more money and success on day 14, avoiding the wantrepreneur syndrome. Day 15. Discover how to be successful in your online business journey. This is what you will discover in the next 15 days. Let me tell you that you may participate in the 15-day business building challenge for only $7. It is something you must get if you want to start an internet business. As a benefit of Legendary Marketer, you can get excellent beginner training for a reasonable price. The vast majority of free ebooks, courses, and videos offer. The entry-level product offerings from Legendary Marketer, notably the Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing, are jam-packed with important information such as: what is the best method for identifying a niche product? How to choose a market with well-established buyer base? How to build a simple website? How to market a company, and last but not the least, secrets. Furthermore, one of David's team members will give you with personalized business advice. Legendary Marketer's affiliate program is one of the greatest in the market for a few key reasons. Because there are so many fantastic entry-level items, new users are more likely to sign up. Cost-effective pricing. Some of the big-ticket items are rather pricey. However, when you consider it, Legendary Marketer is fairly reasonable. The 15-day business building challenge costs only $7. One downside of this program is that in order to get bigger commission rates, you must be a pro member. The basic version is free, and you can make anywhere from 10% to 30% commission based on a variety of things. Pro version costs $29.95 and pays 30% 60% commission. All you have to do to receive your money back each month is produce about $60 in sales at a 50% rate. What distinguishes the Legendary Marketer course from other affiliate marketing courses? The first distinction between the Legendary Marketing course and others is its cost. It provides a terrific education at a very low cost to begin started. When you enroll in the Legendary Marketer course, you will be allocated a specific business advisor who will monitor your progress and have regular Zoom video conversations. You will be taught by successful online billionaires such as David Sharpe. As conclusive remarks, Legendary Marketer's price is reasonable. The low-cost digital items are definitely worth your time and money. The Legendary Marketers Club monthly subscription is also well worth it. So, if you're a newbie debating whether to go for it or not, I'd suggest don't spend another second and just do it. I strongly suggest you to begin with the 15-day Business Builder Challenge, which is a low-cost product, $7, and go through the training yourself. If you got value from this video, then hit the like button, and if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you may not miss out on upcoming interesting and informative videos. Till then, take care.